Yep, half our road's gone. Yep, right here. See, all that water's in it.
Oh.
And right here, this is the only part of the road we got.
Yeah, that's
Kind of skinny.
now keep going.
Yeah, we keep going.
Yeah.
We'll make it to the creek bed.
Yeah, just keep going.
Just be careful where you walk. Don't walk in the puddles. I know you can't hardly avoid it.
Oh, whoa.
Now look at that. That's our road all washed out. Washing it out on both sides of the road. I see that side's washed out too. Whoa, almost fell on my ass. Trying to watch you. Get going.
Yeah, keep going.
I'm gonna have to carry it because
I can't.
look at their driveway.
The driveway where?
Right there by the mailbox.
There's
It's probably almost all gone now.
There's a river nest.
Yeah, see,
Yeah, but
this road's screwed up for sure.